Question 6 is asking us to identify whether the following workers are more likely to experience short-term or long-term unemployment and explain why. Okay, question A construction worker who is laid off because of bad weather. So I would say that he is more likely to experience short-term unemployment because the reason that he is laid off is because of the bad weather, and the weather is not very likely to be bad all the time. So once the weather condition is getting better, he might be rehired again. Okay, so this is a short term. I will write an S for short. Okay, question B. A manufacturing worker who loses his job at a